Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs fried. Start by gathering your simple ingredients: 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a dash of salt and pepper. Select a good non-stick pan, ideally 8 to 10 inches across, to ensure your eggs don't stick. Place your pan on the stovetop and set the heat to medium-low. This gentle warmth is key for perfectly cooked eggs, preventing them from burning and ensuring even cooking throughout. Once your pan is gently warmed, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt until it shimmers. Carefully crack 2 eggs directly into the pan, making sure the yolks remain intact. Immediately season your eggs with a small pinch of salt and pepper. This quick seasoning enhances their flavor right from the start, preparing them for a delicious finish. Cook your eggs for about 2 to 3 minutes for a classic runny yolk with set whites. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, simply cover the pan for an additional minute. Keep an eye on the edges of the egg whites. They should appear fully set and opaque, indicating they are cooked through. This method allows you to customize your fried eggs perfectly. Once cooked to your liking, gently slide your beautiful fried eggs from the pan directly onto your plate. They are best enjoyed immediately, perhaps alongside some crispy toast, savory bacon, or any of your favorite breakfast accompaniments. This easy method consistently delivers delicious, perfectly fried eggs every time, ready for you to savor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.